My experience with Mariah, well, I've been looking at Zillow, Realtor.com. When I see a house, I call the agent,
Yeah.
and then they just say me, "Oh yeah, it's still open, it's still available." That's it.
Yeah.
But when I called Mariah on a Sunday, that's
Yeah.
all Sunday,
Uh-huh.
she made a follow up. She made a follow up, calling me. I mean, I think twice or thrice.
Yeah.
And I said to myself, I think this is it. Because you're the only one
That follow that.
that followed up on me. It's because sometimes they're not,
Yeah.
they're not even,
Yeah. Yeah. Some they don't really trust that.
they don't care. They don't care. But you
Yeah.
called me twice, Arlene, and then you said, let's give it a try. And she kept on, let's try, Arlene, let's try. And then we did. Imagine,
Nice.
21 days. Imagine,
Yeah.
21 days.